Welcome to Techtopia X, where tech meets innovation.
If you've been dreaming about exploring the night sky, capturing incredible lunar details, or simply getting closer to the stars, this high-powered 90mm refractor telescope is the perfect way to experience real astronomy without needing any previous experience. If you want to check the product out for yourself, then the link is the description down below today. We're taking a close look at this professional-grade telescope designed for adults and beginners who want clear, bright, and incredibly sharp views of the night sky. From the 90mm aperture to the 800mm long focal length, the stainless steel tripod, the phone adapter, and even the included moon filter, everything about this setup is designed to give you the ultimate stargazing experience right out of the box. When you first take this telescope out, the solid build immediately stands out. It's lightweight enough for travel, but sturdy enough to stay stable during long viewing sessions. The optical tube measures 800mm, giving you a long focal length that helps deliver crisp images of distant objects. Whether you're looking at the smooth glow of the moon's surface, the bright rings of Saturn, the cloud bands of Jupiter, or deep sky stars, the clarity is impressive thanks to the 90mm aperture. This larger aperture gathers much more light than smaller beginner telescopes, which is one of the biggest advantages of this model. More light means brighter, sharper, higher contrast images. You also get two Kellner eyepieces, a 25mm and a 10mm eyepiece, giving you flexibility in your viewing. Using the 25mm eyepiece, you get a nice wide field of view that is great for scanning the sky and spotting targets. When you switch to the 10mm eyepiece, you can zoom in for much more detail. And when you add the included 3x Barlow lens, each eyepiece becomes 3 times more powerful. That means your magnification ranges from 32 times all the way to 240 times, letting you see lunar craters, Saturn's rings, and Jupiter's moons with incredible detail. TO help you locate objects easily. The telescope includes a 5x24 finder scope. This small scope mounted on top allows you to aim quickly and accurately. It helps you spot celestial bodies and then center them in the main telescope. Beginners love this because it makes the whole process simple and intuitive. The finder scope combined with the alt-azimuth mount gives smooth, fluid movement both up and down and left to right. You simply point and observe with almost no learning curve. Another great part of this telescope is the adjustable stainless steel tripod. It's sturdy, reliable, and adjustable from 28.7 inches all the way to 46.4 inches, so people of different heights can use it comfortably. The accessory tray makes it easy to store your eyepieces and lens so that everything stays organized during your session. The tripod keeps the telescope steady, which is very important because even tiny hand movements can cause shaking at high magnification. This tripod eliminates that issue, giving you stable, clear images. Photography lovers will enjoy the included phone adapter. It securely holds your smartphone so you can capture the moon, planets, and bright stars directly through the eyepiece. It's perfect for sharing with friends and family, posting online, or documenting your stargazing experience. Even beginners can take surprisingly impressive photos using this setup. The moon filter is another thoughtful addition. It reduces glare when viewing bright lunar surfaces, letting you see more contrast and detail without hurting your eyes or washing out the image point. One of the biggest advantages of this telescope is how easy it is to set up. Most users can assemble it in 10 minutes or less without any tools. The instructions are clear and beginner-friendly. You simply attach the tube to the mount, attach the tripod, add the finder scope, and choose your eyepiece. Everything feels intuitive, making this telescope one of the most accessible choices for beginners, families, students, and anyone who wants to start exploring astronomy right away. Once you start observing, the fully multi-coated lenses make a noticeable difference. These coatings improve light transmission, reduce reflections, and deliver sharper, higher contrast images. Whether you're viewing at night or observing distant landscapes during the day, the visuals remain crisp and vibrant. During the daytime, this telescope doubles as a powerful spotting scope for wildlife, landscapes, and travel. Another great feature is the wide 166-degree field of view. This gives you a broad look at the sky and helps reduce distortion, keeping star fields clean and natural looking. For anyone who wants to move between astronomical targets quickly, this wide view makes the whole experience smoother and more immersive. The included carry bag makes the telescope portable and travel-friendly. Whether you're heading into the backyard, driving to a dark sky location, camping, or traveling, you can bring everything with you in one compact case. It keeps all the components protected and organized, making this an excellent choice for people who love to explore new places. Overall, this high-powered 90mm refractor telescope delivers a premium experience for anyone interested in astronomy. You get powerful magnification, excellent optical quality, smooth operation, and all the essential accessories already included. From stargazing with family to capturing beautiful lunar photos, this telescope brings the universe closer in a way that is exciting, educational, and incredibly rewarding. If you're ready to start exploring the night sky or upgrade to a higher quality setup, this telescope is a fantastic choice that delivers real clarity, comfort, and performance. If you want to check the product out for yourself, then the link is the description down below.